If you want to connect your Redmi Buds 5 with the two devices at the same time, for sure you can do this. But first of all, you have to be connected with your Redmi Buds 5 to your first smartphone or to your first device, and you have to use application on this device, because you will have to actually scroll down, go into the additional settings and enable the dual connection mode. And after this, what you have to do to put both earbuds inside the charging case and move them into the pairing mode. So for sure I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. When your both earbuds are inside, you will find that this indicator just turns on. So now you will have to actually locate this side button. Let's catch focus on it. There we go. As you can see here, it is the button that we'll have to actually click and hold and wait until this indicator inside starts blinking. There we go. Now we are in the pairing mode, and on the second phone we'll have to actually go into the Bluetooth settings. Yeah, just open the Bluetooth, turn it on, and now from the available devices list, select the Redmi Buds 5. I just have to repeat, accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. From here I can also save this device to connect more quickly. There we go. So now as you can see on my second device, I will have to go back from this one and I will have to go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth and select my Redmi Buds 5 to pair them one more time. And as you can see right now, I am connected on the iPhone and on my Samsung at the same time. And that's how it works. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.